Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kat bau dang wan pai na gajing yai kai pengat ha rhododendron track kabadon ha upper Shillong ter syakatain lom Shillong. Menteri rang ba ka jelau Conrad ke Sangma ulayo I ki kena upper Shillong ki barang yelek kai cricket hamadan Sangmeiñ. Kum tau lahir nalaka kali ban lek kren ki bat kam hadien ulapan ya kabat pantiet cricket lang shipor arpor.
What's the club called?
Sangmeiñ Moklon. Mini club, sir.
Huh?
Mini club.
What's it called? Many club.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay. They have it. They have it.
Spin bola spin. Ada spin. Spin.
Yes. No, it's okay.
Batting. Oh, batting.
How do you get ball bit faster? Okay. I think I've now warmed up now. Alex. Give your contact details. And we'll give you money to your club to buy equipment. Look at that. What a beautiful sight.
Hagani gajing lek yai kejat lasan ran lang yo menteri rang ba daki officer bat ki pulit Shuwa bun lek saki saya gajing syat suk mensim kabalalong hamadan Weiking hagabau la syakot kumukongsan.
The more you can put natural, minimum, sir. So stones would be best. So basically, layer of a stone on top of it. Yeah. Yes, just minimum cement, but maybe stone, chera stone or something natural. Yeah. Or stone from here only if there's available. Just I don't know, whatever is natural, wood or stone. Minimalistic, sir. No cement. We do that way. No? Yeah. You can just start with these two. These guys before.
These are the reminiscence of the bunkers that used in the old World War. That's what the people they said here. And there are more, especially this whole entire hill. You can see there are still ruins there. But if you go further, there are holes that they dug quite deep. But now it's filled up, but you still see the holes there. Yeah. And there are plenty of rhododendron trees.
Sir, signage, bunker point, yes, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. So we are developing this place, right? You know that, right? Many, sir. Many, exactly. From here, that's very nice, no? It's a with a stream and everything is just.
Even this is done through all around, but
Mr. Reddy, I've been told that this area and this forest has got some very, very unique species of trees.
Sir, sir.
So is that true?
It's very true, sir. In fact, this part of Meghalaya has been recognized as cradle of endemic species by J.D. Hooker way back in 1850s when he documented, and we find that many of the endemic tree species, plant species found here, even rhododendron species or betula species, several species, sir, we just have few specimens of the world left here. They're preserved.
Wow.
So they are endemic species on the verge of extinction, but we have tried, forest department tried its best to maintain pristineness of the area so that those species which are so rare and threatened. we
So
also
our
have-
PES program is also helping
Yes, sir.
us to maintain this, right?
A PS program we will start implementing, sir, and then
In this area also?
Yes, in this area also, sir.
But we have already covered 55,000 hectares.
Sir.
Our target is 1 lakh now.
Sir, we'll
so
include
in that
all
1
this.
lakh, we should include all of this.
We'll include
area.
all this, sir.
So Greg, what are anything special you want to mention about this particular trek?
This trek is about 4 kilometers long approximately, and it falls under the forest department. That's why it's been preserved well. And this trek is very well known for the locals. A lot of locals in the weekends, they come here to just walk, jog. Even this morning, a lot of people we saw walking around. And also this trail is also really upcoming for cyclists. A lot of people like to ride their cycles here. So it's a really good trail that we have very close to Shillong. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So we are here today in the rhododendron trek, and we are here with a full team just going through this entire historic trek. As you know that this has been a route which has been used even by the British in the earlier times. And it's in a way a very, not only just a beautiful trek, but it's a very historic trek. On the way, you would actually see bunkers that were used during the World War, which are still visible and can be seen very clearly. We also have seen walls that have been created during the British time. These are retaining walls, very, very systematically done. And again, another historic location. And more importantly, if you see the entire flora and fauna out here and overall the kind of greenery that's there, it's really a beautiful area to trek, especially right in the, you can say, heart of the city. And it's a very important source, of course, of the water also, and the quality of air in Shillong. So therefore, it's a very important location, beautiful trek. And I must encourage all of you, the citizens of the state as well as the tourists, to please come and experience this particular trek. You will really, really enjoy it. It's very beautiful and a great experience.